So I have shared this link. You can find some 5 to 6 programs in the link. You can do. I will at the same time I will also practice. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So I'm entering into webinar. Those who are having your own platform, you work there. So webinar.org. Okay. So I have username, password. I'm entering into the portal. So once you are logged into the portal, move to the terminal. Once again, I'll share the link. Those who are joined late. Okay. So now I'm typing the password once again. So now I have entered into the server login. So we will start with the first program which I gave in the list. So first program is we will take this program, or we will take for loop by using we will go with if loop. We will go with if loop. First you do this program, that is odd or even. We will consider this as a first program that we are going to do. So first program is this one. Okay, we will do this as a first program, odd or even. Okay. So you have the link, you can start doing it. So I'm creating, I'm listing some of the directories. So I'm creating first program is even.sh. So I'm creating a program va even.sh. So once if you are entered, it will be entering into the editor. So va even.sh. So now it will go to the editor. So once it reaches to the editor, what you can do is insert. You can press insert, and then you can start typing the program. So first is odd or even. So echo, enter the number. Enter the number that you want to find. So enter the number. Then you need to read the number from the user, or read number. Then you want to identify whether the given number is odd or even. So if you want to identify given number is odd or even, you need to find the remainder for the programmer. You have to find the remainder. So if you want to find the remainder, you need to do modulus operations. So if, by using if, space, square bracket, space, dollar, double open, num, modulus operation, num space, percentage space, modulus operation, double close, space, equal to, that is hyphen eq space 0. If the remainder is 0, the number is even number. So if then echo the number is even, else echo the number is odd, if So that is Fi is used to, you can close the loop. You can, then you can view, you can able to view my screen, you can zoom my screen at what I have shared, and then you can view the program. So which is already I have shared in the chat box link, that is also you can able to use, or you can see the program and you can type. So this is if else loop. Okay, if then else loop. So to check the given number is odd or even. So once if you have typed, then you can press WQ to write and quit. Okay. So if you're writing and quitting, it will come back. You can execute the program sh even dot sh. So enter the number. So I'm entering 78. 78 is even number. And once again I'm executing the program. Enter the number. I'm giving 45. 45 is odd. Okay. To run the program sh even dot sh. Okay. So I'm going back to the program. So you can touch the screen which I have shared, and then you can zoom if you want. Okay. So those who are completed, mention through chat. Those who got output. Those who are having error, inform me. I will stop my sharing. You can share and I will clear the errors. The same link I have shared in chat box. So after executing, after uh, typing, you can use colon WQ, then sh program name dot sh. I'm on now I have pressed escape. Now I have pressed escape colon WQ. Then what I am doing to execute is sh even dot sh even dot sh. It is to run. So for creating a file, this one, for executing this file sh even dot sh means shell. Sh means shell. Enter. So I'm giving enter. It is asking enter the number. I'm giving 45 or 49. It is showing this number is odd. Very good. Sorry. So I'm going back to the program. So those who are completed, you can move for the next program. Next program, go for the to print 1 to 100 by using while loop. So that is in first page, second program you are having this program. So this, try to practice this one. This will be the second program. Try to practice this one to print 1 to 100 by using while loop. That you practice. Others, if you are executed, mention through chat. Karthik Raja, Aarti, Jyoti, Apurva, Arvind, Ashok. Try to practice the program. Gokul, Gomati, Ma'am, Irfan, Joel, Manigandan, Mujay, Mohsin, Mohammed, Nishat. So try to practice the lab, practice experiment and show me the output by sharing the screen or through mention in the chat whether you are executed. So we'll move to the next program. You can select my screen and then you can zoom if you want. So I'm moving to next program. So VI while loop, by using while loop. We have seen if loop. Now we will go for while.sh. VI while.sh. So while loop, by using while loop. Now I have pressed insert button. After inserting the command window, it will allow you to type. So now what you are going to do is you are going to print the numbers from 1 to 100. So echo print the number from 1 to 100. So it's your wish, whatever the content that you want to give in echo statement, you can give. Enter the numbers 1 to 10. So if you want to start from 1 to 10, first you have to initialize the value for any variable. So I equal to 1. Next, while space while space square bracket space dollar of I, that is I value, any the usage of I value, less than you will be mentioning less than 100, or if you want you can use 10. Okay, for example I'm using 10 until 10. Okay, then we will change to 100. Now I value is 1. 1 is less than 10. Yes, it will enter into the while loop. So if it is less, do echo do echo. Here you need to print the I value, so dollar I. So now the value 1 is printed. If you want to make the value to become a 2, you need to increment the value. So how to increment the value? I equal to dollar of double open dollar of I plus 1 double close. So dollar of dollar, yes, dollar of I plus dollar of 1. Now it got incremented. So now the you need to close the while loop. So by using done, escape colon wq, escape colon wq, sh while dot sh. So it is print the number from 1 to 100. I have given 10 in for loop, so while loop, so it is just getting that. So insert now, type this program, execute and let me know whether you got output. Echo print the number from 1 to 100. If you are changing, it will be displaying 1 to 100. Command not found. Which command not found? So check the syntax correctly, whether you are given space while space open bracket space $I space hyphen le space under space close bracket to echo dollar. Otherwise, I will stop the presentation. You can start presenting. You can tell me. Will stop presenting. You can start presenting. I will stop presenting my screen. You can start. So echo space print the number 1 to 100 I equal to 1 while open bracket space press insert button. Okay, open while open bracket space space. Okay, no, while open yeah, after 100 after 100 also one space. Okay, now you can try escape colon WQ. What happened? I didn't see. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, the same program. How we can use for loop? We have used while loop. How we can use for loop for printing the same result? Okay, so escape colon WQ. Now I'm going to create a new program. Vi vi for by using for loop. Vi for dot sh insert echo printing printing 1 to 20 using for loop. Echo printing 1 to 20 using for loop. So syntax for loop is for open bracket double open bracket I equal to 1 semicolon I is less than 100 semicolon I plus plus close the bracket. So echo printing 1 to 20 using for loop for double bracket I equal to 1 I is less than 100 I plus plus. Then do you are going to begin the do echo. You need to print the value of I, because I starts from 1 until until 20. We have given the value as a 20. You can give 100 or whatever number the number you want. So I'm giving 20. So echo I. Now I value will be printed 1, then I will get incremented until 19, it will get printed. Now the for loop work is over. So you have to mention done. So this program is the first program in that sheet. The sheet which I have shared, that is the first program. So escape colon WQ SH. So it is printing 1 to 20 using for loop. So the function of for loop and while loop are nearly same, but in while loop you need to increment inside the inside the while loop. But in for loop, in the statement itself, you are going to increment or you are incrementing. So I'm back to the program. So three programs over. One is first one we did is odd or even number. Second is by using while loop one program, by using for loop one program, by using if else loop one program. Good size area. Yeah, fine. So next program we will take it as a what program we will take? We will take factorial. I think last class itself you have completed factorial. We will take factorial program. What about others? I'm not getting response from others. Others. Anybody else? They have completed the program. Anybody else? So we'll go with the factorial program. Clear. So we'll have factorial program VA fact fact factorial dot sh VA factorial dot sh. Insert echo enter the number, enter the number. Then you need to read the number from the user. So read NUM. Enter the number you are going to read. For example, 5. If you are reading 5, you need to do 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So if you are getting 4, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is your output. So first you need to initialize the fact is equal to 1, because you have to calculate until the this condition fact is equal to 1. Otherwise what will happen if you are doing minus means, what will happen? It leads to 0. The answer it leads to 0. So fact is equal to 1. While you can use while loop or for loop. I'm using while space open square bracket the number that what you got input from the user, the number until greater than 1. So until greater than fact, while the number greater than 1. What you are going to do fact equal to dollar of calculation double bracket fact into or fact into number, fact into number. Then now the fact value 1 into 5. Now what you have to do, you have to store, you have storing the result into fact. Now you have to subtract the number that what you got. So num equal to dollar of num minus 1. Okay, then done. Now you are closing the loop. So first see you are getting number user yes. So fact value is 1 into 10, 10 you got. Then 1 into fact value is 1, 1 into 10. The result of 10 minus 1. Now what happens? 10 into 9. The result will be stored here. Then the result into 8, the result into 7, result into 6. Like that, it will be keep on reducing until the condition it becomes 1. Then the, the loop it will come out. Then you need to print the result echo dollar, or you can use echo the factorial of a given number is factorial, factorial of the given number is you can use this. After complete this, escape colon WQ enter. Now sh factorial dot sh. So it is asking the number, I'm giving 5. So the factorial of 5 is factorial of a given number is 120. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial 6 is 720. Okay, super. So next move to the next program, that is yes, who is that? Ravindran, Vedikolla Ravindra. Ravindra, do you have any doubt? So we'll do this program, sum of all digits. Sum of all digits. If you are giving some three digit numbers, it will divide that number and it will add and it will results you. Okay. This program we will try. Ravindra Reddy, kindly mute your mic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So escape colon WQ. So now what we are doing, sum of all digits. VI sum digits dot sh. Sum VI sum digits dot sh program name. I'm typing from here. First echo enter the number find sum of digits. Sum of digits. It's your wish. How short you can do it. Then you are going to read the number or read the digit. I'm keeping it as a digit. Read digit. Now sum equal to 0 for calculation. Sum equal to 0. Sum is equal to 0 while space while dollar num return 0. Because sum of the digit means if it is 0 you cannot able to calculate, but in case if it is greater than 0 you can do. So while the number is greater than 0, do mod equals dollar of double open num mod 10. Next sum equal to dollar of sum plus mod double open double close num equals dollar of double open bracket num space divided by 10 double close, then echo the sum of digit, sorry, I did one mistake. I have here I read as a digit, you can keep it as a num because I kept one read num. You can use any variable name. The sum of the digit plus colon dollars num sum. Okay, the sum of the digit is colon dollar. Yeah. Okay. Escape colon WQ SH. It is asking enter the number to find the digit. I am entering 45. The result of 45 is 9. 4 9. I am executing once again. Now I am entering 1 2 3. The result will be 6. Once again I am executing 4 3 2 1. So the result is 9. So 10. 4 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 10. So this is to sum of all digits. what all are others doing, whether you are executing the program. Reena, Rishika, Shilpa, Shivaganeshan, Shudagar, Vigneshwaran. Okay, Reena. Yeah.
சார் இப்போ டைப் பண்ணும்போது எரர் வந்துச்சு. திரும்ப ப்ரோக்ராம்குள்ளே போய்
Okay, okay, Deepthi Manasa, okay. Then those who are completed, you have next program, this one, sum of n numbers. This program, last program in that sheet. Okay, sum of n numbers using while loop. So the last program in that link. Okay, this program, last program in that sheet, sum of n numbers using while loop. This one. Escape colon WQ. So clear. Sum of numbers V8, sum n, sum n numbers, or some numbers dot sh, sum V8 sum numbers dot sh. So insert, I'm going to type the program. So it will get a sequence of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it will add the numbers and it will display the result. That is the program logic. So as in the program logic, we need to get the size of the input what you are going to give. So echo, you can zoom my screen. If you cannot able to view, you can zoom it and then you can view the code. Echo, double quotes, enter the size of the numbers. Enter the size of the numbers. That's how many numbers you are going to enter. Enter the size of the numbers. Then read that number. Read num. Read is used in read the input. Read. Now you want to assign I equal to 1. Sum is equal to 0 for calculation purpose. Sum equal to 0 for calculation purpose. Now, what is the use of these two? I will tell you. Echo enter sum is equal to 0. Okay, now what we'll do is read the number. Okay, okay, now echo 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 enter the enter enter the list of numbers. How many list of numbers? Double quotes. Echo enter the list of numbers. So you have to get list of numbers from the user. So while space space dollar of I value is 1 because from the first value you are going to get it. So until dollar of m. So if you are giving 5 from 1 to 5 you are getting input from the users. While I equal to 1, I is less than 5. If n is num is 5 until 1 is less than 5 you need to get the input from the user. So to get while loop to do. Now you want to read the input from the users. You are going to read it as a you can keep it as an n. You keep it as a read n. Now what you need to do after reading, you need to sum. Sum equal to dollar of sum. Already sum is 0. Sum n. Sum equal to dollar of sum plus. So sum is 0 initially. The value first value that what you gave 1 means 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 will be stored as a sum. Then if you are giving, if you have the value will be 2 means 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4 like that it will be keep on increasing. So at the same time, if the loop you need to execute repeatedly means you have to increment the I value. So to increment the I value, I equal to dollar of I plus 1. Close the bracket. Then now the work of loop is over. Echo dollar sum of the list of numbers dollar sum. State colon WQ. So it is asking size of the number. I am going to give 5 numbers. Enter the size of the number. I am giving 5 numbers. It is asking enter the list of numbers. 1 enter, 2 enter, 3 enter, 4 enter, 5. So the result is 15. So 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 5 is 15. Sum of the list of numbers is 50. So once again I am executing. I am giving 3 numbers. So 10, 25, 35 is equal to 70. I'm going back to the program. அந்த டீட்டெயில்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன் மேம். ஃபார்ம் 16 2019 அட்மிஷன்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன். ஓகே ஓகே. Okay, early. If anybody is not getting output, kindly let me know. Okay. பண்ணுங்க. No. So we have executed some of the shell programs. So even you can use the same platform to execute your C program code. Okay. So now we will have very small basic of C programming. So vi C program dot C. vi C program dot C. Insert. So simply printf I. We need to give hash include, I think so. Hash include stdio dot h. Hash include stdio dot h. Hash include console input output conio dot h. Then void void main open bracket print 5 get ch. std small std. So here you it is accepting only the commands in shell script. So bash, it is a bash platform, so it is accepting only shell script. In case it is a Linux or virtual box, you can execute all the different compilers. Okay. Going back to this program. Now what we'll do is now we'll try with the Fibonacci series. We'll go with the Fibonacci series program. Fibonacci series. Okay, VI Fibonacci Fibonacci dot sh VA Fibonacci dot sh. So it is for Fibonacci number to display the Fibonacci number. Okay. So let go. Enter enter the number. Enter the number. So read n read n. Then you need to assign what is the first value of Fibonacci is 0 and second value is 1. So enter the enter the number, read in. So you know what is the Fibonacci? Fibonacci number is first number is 0 plus 1 is 1. Then you have to add previous two numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then you need to add 2 plus 1. So consider 0 plus 1. First number is first is 0. 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Then previous two number 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is the Fibonacci series number. You need to get output like this. So what we can do is first we have to initialize 0 and 1. Then we will use for loop for double open bracket I equal to 0 colon I is less than n colon I plus plus. So from 0 we are doing. Now do you need to print the first number 0 echo hyphen n. Hyphen n is used to print in the next line. So dollar of a, dollar of a. Okay. Next, only we need to calculate. So what we are doing is fn equal to dollar of open bracket a space plus b. Now we are adding 0 plus 1. So next is b equal to b is equal for a equal to dollar b and b is equal to dollar of f n. So then done. Which is our assignment. Library data click for second floor. This is assignment is second floor. So which is வாங்கிட்டு போய் லைப்ரரி செகண்ட் ஃப்ளோர் அப்படியே போய் இறங்க செகண்ட் ஃப்ளோரில் லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் இருக்கு அவகிட்ட கொடுங்க இல்லை சார் சைன் வேணும் அப்படின்னா வேணும்னா கீழே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ளோரில் வாங்கி திருப்பி மேலே சார் 2 months ஆகுது. So you can fn is equal to dollar of a plus b. You are going to add the value of 0 plus 1. Then you are assigning that one value to a and 0 plus 1 value to b. Area of interest என்னங்க? Enter the number. So I need first 5 numbers of Fibonacci series. I'm going to give 5. So it will display 0, 1, 0 first number, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number. So what we can do, we will do some changes in the program. Insert. It's not coming in the next line. Okay.
உதவி நாடி வந்துள்ளது.
check whether you are getting output for both the programs. Try some of own programs that what it comes to your mind. Some easy experiments. So practice these two programs. I already shared this one. Try to get the output for both. those who have completed, you can leave the session. Those who didn't get the output of reverse of a number, try this program which is I have shared on the screen. Okay. So even I did get some error I got from Sai Surya. So those are getting error in reverse of a given number, see the screen I have shared, complete the program, then leave the session.